Hey guys, what's happening? How to change card language in Pokemon TCG Pocket. So what you gotta do, go ahead and click the three bars at the bottom right. And then click other, the last option. And then go ahead and click the settings gear at the top. Scroll a little bit down to find language selection. You're gonna find it right here. Go ahead and click. And then select the language that you want. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.